Bring your passion for food to life with our food and beverage production and service course. Over 1 year of intensive training, you learn everything from kitchen operations and culinary techniques to professional service skills. Classes run Monday through Friday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., preparing you for careers in restaurants, hotels, and the hospitality industry. With hands-on training and real-world practice, you'll be job-ready the moment you graduate. Turn your love for food into a thriving career with us today. With qualified mentors, modern facilities, affordable fees, and courses aligned with the high demand in fashion, beauty, IT, and hospitality, we prepare you for a thriving career and your dream life. Your future begins here. Admission is open. Hurry up!